Hi, good afternoon. David Stoffo here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-614-6968. I'm glad you came along today. I want to show you this Crest III 220 Tri-Toon boat. What a wonderful color configuration with the metallic white with the steel gray on the exterior. Love that combination. Real clean and modern looking. It has the light gray interior with a little bit darker, and then the rustic weathered gray polyvinyl flooring. So it pulls together very nicely. This boat is wonderfully equipped. I love the 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine that powers this thing. It's combined with the CPT Deluxe Performance package, which also includes the junior ski tow bar, the aluminum underskinning, the full length of the boat, the 48-gallon polyvinyl tank in the center log. You've got splash guards and lifting strakes and a full-length keel. So what a wonderful performing boat. This one has some really nice options, including the premium stereo system with the LED lit rings around the speakers for a nice glow at night. The helm is all fiberglass with your hours meter, your 2-inch depth finder here. You've got your Fusion stereo that takes the Bluetooth, and then your Sport Premium tilt wheel that's aluminum. I love the Captain's cooled cup holder that'll keep your Country Time lemonade cooled, and that's where I'm going to put my keys and wallet and phone, very likely. The SLS seating plan is one of the better ones, with the nice lounging area that's perfect for letting the captain kind of join the party. A lot of people will put the table right here that comes with the boat. And then once you get underway and maybe you've got some people out getting towed around, you can pull the lounger back this way and face backwards here, or if everybody's swimming off the back of the boat. It's just a wonderful configuration for a pontoon. So again, thanks for looking at our 2019 Crest III 220. Again, that 200 horsepower makes this like a sports car with lots of room. You can find us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, and call us directly at 770-614-6968. I'm David Stoffo, and thanks for taking a few minutes to look at the boat with me.